Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this today. We're going to make ground beef and potatoes, or aloo keema. Aloo meaning potato, keema meaning ground. Spicy, delicious, easy. Wah, 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 wee, wah. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got about 4 cups of potatoes. Peeled them, washed them, and cut them fairly small, as you can see. Here I've got some ground or minced beef, whatever you want to call that. There's 1 kg there. That's like £2, just over £2. You can see they're roughly equal in volume. 2 cups of tomato, 1 cup of onion cut nice and small, cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons, fresh chili entirely up to you. You just add what you want really. I've got about a tablespoon there. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, couple of tablespoons fresh cilantro, coriander. Look at our spices. We've got 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 2 teaspoons chili and coriander. Let's get moving. So before we get started, just to let you know, I'm making quite a lot of this. You could actually reduce this in half. I mean, like I say, this is a fairly substantial amount I'm making. In there, I've got some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil you want. I'm using corn oil. Let's drop in those cumin seeds. We're on and above medium heat. Now we're going to add in the 1 cup of onion, which I've cut small. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Next up, I'm going to be dropping in our potatoes. We're going to add some salt. We can get our fresh chili in now. The amount's up to you, like I say. 4 more minutes. Keep it moving. Fabulous stuff here. We're then going to go with the ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Little mix. Then we're going to get our ground or minced beef in. In the UK we don't say ground beef, we say minced beef. In America I think you say ground. Same thing. So in that all goes. Now I'm using beef. If you want, use lamb, use chicken maybe, but yeah, we're going with beef here. And you can see this is a fairly lean mixture. You know, there's not too much fat in there. This is probably like a 80-20. We're now going to go stir in a lot now for about 5 or 6 minutes. I want to kind of incorporate the beef in there, break it down. Okay, so you can see this is cooking really nicely and it's kind of separated out as it's cooking. Very simply, we're going to go with our spices. Let's have another look, shall we? Now, I always call this the big 4. If you want, you don't have them separate, you could use curry powder, but I think the separate ones are much better. We've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 of coriander, 1 of turmeric and 1 of cumin. Let's just give that a little mix in there. We're then going to add 2 cups fresh tomato. And we're going to stay on this fairly vibrant heat. And we're going to go for 6 more minutes. We'll be stirring every now and then. We want those tomatoes to kind of cook down as much as we can get them. And then we can add some liquid. I'm just going to be using water today. And you can get it to the kind of consistency that you want. Anyway, let's get on with this bit first. That's looking fabulous. Now, if you want, you can eat it just like this kind of dryness, which is great if you want to sort of grab it with, you know, some roti or paratha or something. I'm going to add a little bit of water. There's like 200 ml of water there. And like I say, you can put loads more water in it if you want and make it really kind of soupy, or do what I've done. And we're just going to go for another 5 minutes and it's done. And that's a beauty. Off goes the heat. Yeah, I like it just about there. We've got that cilantro or coriander to go in, haven't we? We're going to get that in the mix. And I didn't show you this earlier, but garam masala powder, which is a kind of blend, nice finishing spice. You only need a pinch or 2 in there. Check it for salt, give it a mix, serve it up. Wow. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. Hope you enjoy it. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.